Time available. Beginning recording process. Starting to record. Please raise tripod and position camera.
Danny, we deal with one, okay? Just you. That's his job to be on. So you're the referee. Good, come on, intensity, we spoke about it. Owen, some ideas. Sebas, Josh, give distance to start with.
3 takes.
Nico, can we work with Sebas?
3 times. That's crazy.
Can't leave that line.
Nope.
Right, come on.
Wider, Dutcher, wider. There you go. It's okay. Well done.
Come on. Let's go. Good start. Sebas, Nico, good ideas from the throw. Good, that body shape to see.
Step, Nathan.
Good, second ball then. Yes, Connor, continue. Come on, Zach.
Wait, what you see, Levi? What do you see?
Good, Sebas.
Quicker, Quicker, Bryson. Dive in. Good, Robert. Don't dive in. Good defending.
Good job, hey. Now your shape. Danny, now you pull Zach with you.
Stay, Robert. Get to the goal, Thatcher, to the goal.
Come on. Don't know it. Come on, Sebas, come on. Josh, deeper. You can step, but deeper first.
Up, John, a little bit toward the referee. Tight. Talk, don't foul him. Good, our ball, well done. Sorry, drop. Right there, Jack. Just a little deeper, Jack. Jack, a little deeper. You're good, centrally. Just a little deeper. Well done. Nathan, this way.
Nico.
Just a little bit.
Nico.
Good.
Kenneth, it can come again if we need, but quickly, let's go. Come on.
Stay, Thatcher.
Yes, Connor. Yes, Gavin, you can go.
Tighter.
Yes, Sebas, we Gavin.
Win it. Come on, Nathan. Join him. Nathan, he's battling. It's a loose ball. You're 5 yards away. Anticipate.
Go.
Yeah. Follow him on this right now.
Easy. Let's have good shape. Come on.
Nathan, jog back. Lucas, come.
Out to separate.
Nathan, get to the middle, guy. There, Nathan.
Good, Danny.
Keep
And
jogging
the
around. We're
reference.
going to get picked apart.
Repress. Good job.
Can't jog around at this level.
Quickly, quickly, quickly!
Lucas, you'll come and Nathan will have yours. Good. Better, you two.
Just slide in the middle, Gavin. Slide to the middle.
Good. Go ahead, Thatcher, just a little bit.
Time, open, time!
Now come, Thatcher, now come back. Nathan in between. Levi.
Yes, go.
Nathan, you can't stay on one guy.
Good, play! Forward!
Don't reach. Does it cut you? Where's the help? Nathan, you stay on one guy, they're going to just go to goal every time. You got to play in between.
Corner.
And then sometimes
Corner,
you
when you get in that
have
moment,
to
try and
switch.
combine.
But you can't go hanging out on the side and resting. Look at Thatcher in his face.
Good. Hey, referee! See? Organize the referee!
Hey, right there, Thatcher. Outside of Thatcher.
Zach, more.
Roll with
Not
it,
the
Thatcher.
man.
Roll
Space
with
to
it.
space.
Turn and roll with it. Get it outside of him. Don't play it to him. The defender now has a chance to get there.
Come on. Dennis, don't overshare.
Good work.
Well done, Zach.
John, good ball in. Good job, Nathan. Don't let it bounce, John, if you can. Excellent.
Yes, Josh.
Well done, Ethan. Nathan, Trent, good job over there. Well done.
Hey, deeper. Zach, Danny, deeper
Nathan, higher.
first.
You're going to get the ball through. You don't have to win it, Dutcher, but he doesn't win it. Good. That's well done, though, Dutcher. Lucas, can you get a touch? Stay, Lucas. Stay, and he'll play you. You ran where he can't play you.
Drive. Take all your space. Repress.
Lucas, everybody on both teams is running that way. You just step back, you place your feet out the other side. You ran behind the defender, you can't see it. Good. And again. Lucas, go a little higher. Don't be right on top of it. That's perfect. Go past it.
Guys, come on.
Now we go. Now we go through. Keep going. There we go. Well done, Trent. Good ball.
See, in those situations. First ball. Owen, put your foot in it. Can we play? Danny, Gavin, separation, somebody.
Nathan, right there's good.
Owen, leave it.
Hey, somebody here. Levi, there you go. That's your Delta 21. Good.
Good. Zach, stay.
Good, Bryson. Way to work back. That's fine. Everybody back. Jog back. Trent. Watch short first. Lucas. Go that way first. Go out there for short first.
Gavin, can go.
Right there. Be
As
ready.
in, now
Come
just
back
behind.
there.
Danny,
You gotta jump.
come to the back, please. Gavin.
You gotta jump. You gotta compete. You gotta jump.
Hey,
Easy.
good job.
Great win.
Full speed's got to be a little quicker.
Great
Come
win.
on.
Nathan, come this side of the field for the kick. Levi, you go higher. Nathan, come underneath with Thatcher. Lucas, higher. Be the last man, Lucas. Look for Nathan. Look for these guys. Challenge. Excellent.
Good
Challenge.
team.
Good. Keep going.
Well done.
Good. Don't foul. Just go past him. Excellent.
Josh, good job winning the second ball. Good job. Owen, Kenneth, a couple of times from this cross, we're too far over. Manning to go back close better, Kenneth.
Let's go. Tight here. Bryson, you're marking the other guy. Pay attention there.
Quickly.
Great step, Robert.
Yes, Sebas.
Drop, Bryson.
All right, guys, hey, work. Good job, come on. Kenneth, boys, come on. Where do you need Danny? Where do you need Zach? Always organising. It's not enough to be.
Turn, Ethan, drop a little, Ethan, just a little.
Well done, Gavin.
Yes, John.
Gavin, come on, cover inside.
Go past the Dutcher, run.
Inside, cover inside.
Well done, pressure. Good pressure. Get up. One touch. Good pass. Don't let it bounce.
Yes, Sebas.
Well done. Foul. That should take it back inside again.
Well done.
Right there.
Dennis, quicker.
Jack.
Quicker. You don't have the time to control and play.
In the space, not to the man.
Keep driving. Yes, we'll take it. Good job.
Well done, Connor.
Kenneth, full speed quickly. Touch play.
See them all. Good. This way we'll
Together.
run through. Here's him. Who's left?
That was relief.
Good.
Good, Josh. Strong, Josh.
Nothing behind us. Nothing behind.
Good.
Don't reach. Good.
Yes, Gavin, slide, connect. Josh, inside more.
Good try, Nathan.
Good, Kenneth, better.
Don't reach, Bryson, don't reach. Keep his head down. Head down.
Now we need the
Well
win.
done.
Okay,
Well done.
good ideas. Come on.
Lucas, Lucas, try to listen to that turn. We can spin out and go the other way. All done, great. Nathan, on the goal kick, switch with Lucas. You battle, he'll be higher. If we don't win it, you're still defending for us until we can change. Look for Nathan. Come on, Bryson, open up. Now play through. Play it through. Play here. There we go. We don't need to play a different one. We just need to play a little softer pass. You don't get to complain, Bryson, when we play a bad pass. Don't let it come back, Nathan. Everybody else tight. Nathan, if you put him under pressure, don't let him go back. That happens. Open up, Thatcher.
Shoot it!
No fouls, good game. Hey,
Serve it, take a touch and serve it in. Good. Excellent.
Come on, take control. If it starts loud.
Good, Nathan.
Yes, now.
Good, Nathan. Go on, Thatcher. Go on, Nathan. He's in trouble. Good work, Nathan. Now stay, Nathan. Drop. Drop in between the two. Lucas, you might have to help him. We're good. Now step, Thatcher. Now step.
Higher if you come.
You're good. Help him.
One reference.
Good. Don't dive in, Thatcher. You're good. Don't dive in. Just move your feet. You're good. Pat on his back. He only goes back. Nathan, come.
Open.
Stay here, Nathan, right here. Don't reach. Come across.
Good job.
Nathan, much better. Much better now.
Connor, really good.
Much more movement off the ball. I like it. See the ball, though. See the ball. Challenge. Challenge. Now we play soccer. Move the ball. Gotta get it off your foot a little quicker.
Good.
Got
Good,
your
Sebas,
wide and
good,
go away.
Sebas.
Carry,
Keep coming,
carry.
Sebas. Well done.
2v1. Nathan, go away a little.
Australia.
Got it!
Good. Now can we play out? Run! Zach, carry! Z and Kenneth organising the reference. We can't lose it. Quicker!
Stay in between,
If
Nathan, you're
it's
good.
switching from Kenneth and it's free, go higher.
Tread,
Encourage
up,
the ball
tread.
in front of you.
Ethan, ball side. Just a little bit, right there.
Quick
Good
now,
try.
in front of Z and
Stay,
stay.
Bryson, stay. Lucas, can you come? Nathan, drop for Lucas's guy. There you go. Now you save all that energy, Jack.
Good, let's play. Yes.
Yes.
Off. Hey, listen. Nobody knows
In front of Kenneth. Good.
to be their team.
Good, Connor, good.
Got a challenge, guys. They're winning too many of these free ones. Go with him. Unlucky.
Yeah, come on. Can we get the ball down?
Steven, you can now make your own choices when you want to keep it, when you want to punt it. We've settled in now. We're good. Johnny, inside a little bit. Go on. Nathan, come a little. Gotcha, go inside. Go inside a little bit. Just cut him off right in there. Help. Now you come and you're fine. Good, Nathan, you're good. Good. Just drop across the field. Right there. Stay in between them. You're good again. We don't have to be too tight. Good.
Yeah, Gavin.
3-yard run instead of a 20, 40. It'll save you minutes. Help! Levi, help!
Go, repress. Owen, tight. Owen, you can step. Well done, Nico. Now quicker. Yes, see, step forward.
Keep coming, Lucas. Keep coming, Nathan. Help. There we go. There you go, Nathan. Come to it, Lucas. There we go. Be ready, Lucas.
Good.
We're good. Don't reach. Nathan, you got it.
Carry.
Good. Send the wall pass. Put him under pressure. Don't be afraid to take a touch and drive there. Levi, shift. Lucas, shift. Shift, Lucas.
Ennis. Sebas, Josh, they're both marking you two, so you two have to have some kind of relationship. It's one and then one.
Challenge. They don't give free headers. Gotta jump, Nathan. You gotta jump. You're never gonna get that call.
Good, yes.
Don't reach, John. You're good. Stay, Thatcher. Stay, boy. Good, Thatcher. Stay back. Thatcher, stay back. Thatcher inside.
Good, Owen.
Slow down, Thatcher. Slow down at the wall pass. Can you double and help? Can you help him? Just keep it up. Keep it sideways and back. Play him now. Unlucky, wide trip.
Connor, Danny, the two times we lost the ball were both square passes.
Jack,
Pass it, come on.
chasing the game, man. You gotta let us catch our breath.
You can go 1v1 again. Yes, Josh.
Great step, carry.
Good, Connor, good. Hey, come on, it's good, come on.
Robert, you got. Bryson, come this way. This way, more. Good.
Strong, Zach, strong.
Great work, Nathan.
Fred!
Great work, Nathan. Nathan, work your way back to the middle and rest.
Come on.
Nathan. Just slide back, Nathan. Slide back. Lucas, get going.
Yes, Connor, to the space, inside. Oh, it's not, see, it's a good look. It's a good look. We have to keep trying things. Yes, Sebas, Sebas, go. Oh, we're in the first.
Still excellent defending, just no need to. Run on, Nathan. Take a chance. Go on. Don't foul. Go around him. Excellent.
No foul, Z, no foul.
Yes, Bryson, go on the other side again. Well done, Nathan. Hey! Hey! You can't go through the man's back to get to the ball. Bad call. Jack! Come in, Jack! Jack! Don't leave him on the island!
Come on, we can. Go, Kenny.
Put it down and play. Turn. Play him in his space. Play him into space. Robert.
Danny in the line. Josh, go back.
Bryson, stay in the hole. Right there. We don't get countered. Hey, you see that massive gap? Play it at 11C. You see 11C on that pole? That big pole? In the air, right in there. Good. Stay. Stay. It's got to be safe. Good. Just got to be safe there. Good ball in though. Thatcher will play off your head. Thatcher, back up a little. Right there. Nathan, we need to be over here to run space. Lucas, start here to get to there. Levi, right there. You're going to run through. You can start to go now, Lucas. Start to get to the goal. Corner, well done. Robert's got it.
Connor with a player, number 10 on the keeper. Danny, stop running close.
We're good. We're good. Stay, Nathan, a little bit toward the ball. Now you can go. Now's the trouble. Now we go. Everybody tight. Great step. Time. Time, Jack. Time.
Open.
Time there next time, John. Can you play in front of him? Drive Bryce just a little bit in front of him when he goes high. Tight to it. Connect passes. Connect passes. Connect some passes. Good job. Jack, as it goes that way, drop, let Ethan get tight to the guy, or now you get tight, Ethan drop. Whoever's closest to him stays tight.
Nice.
It's a decision, but don't stop playing, Jack.
Gavin, see if they leave someone off. But Gavin, if they put everyone in, put Danny in and you on the edge.
Trent, you're good there? Gotta jump again. Nathan's probably coming to see you. Be ready. Be ready and challenge. Jump. Well done. You with the events? Finish the half, boys. Finish the half. It's okay.
Defend, get set.
Bryson, a little bit more up of him in his face.
But Zach, a little more till we secure possession.
Read it, Jack. Tight with him.
Movement, John.
Tight. Don't reach. He doesn't split us. Nobody splits you. There you go.
Repress, Gavin, you're there.
Nathan, he's under pressure. He's going to be under pressure on touch. Right there. Yes, that's okay.
Forward, Kenneth,
Just drop
forward.
in, Nathan. Drop in. Good. Now you can start to go a little. Don't reach. We're good.
Connor, man. Good, can we combine forward?
Nathan, shift over a little. Lucas, come to the ball. Good. In between now. You two in between. Now go, Nathan. You got to go. Lucas, back in midfield. Good. Jack, go ahead. You're good. Good. Okay. It happens. We're good. Make him go back. Everybody gets organized. Thatcher, go straight in towards Bryson. Just help crowd the space. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Now you know you have him if the ball comes or he joins in the attack. But you're helping your teammates now. Jog up. Don't leave him on. You're good, John, you're good.
Lots to come wide. Gavin, open.
Good try, Lucas. You let it go out. Take your time. Great battle, Lucas. Unlucky on the end one. Just walk up, you two. Walk up. Good. You're good, Steven. Levi, can you get forward a little? Let Bryson stay in the hole. Spit out. Good. All right, throw again, John. Now a little more toward the goal, not toward the end line, so it goes out for a throw in, for a goal kick. Challenge! Challenge! Steven, wait, sorry, Ethan, middle, right there. Keep coming, Thatcher.
Yes, good job.
Bryson, you got to drop. Oh, get caught with the ball.
Aye, red!
Down. Stop when we take extra touches. Take the guy on. Right there. Close to the box and right to the man. You have to become a center back. Nathan, in the wall. 3 big ones in the wall. Top of the 18, guys. Hold the top of the 18. Referee, he moved it again. And again. Don't move it. Don't move it. Set it on deck. On deck.
Danny, it's good. Danny, it's good.
On your line, Steven. On your line. Keep everything in front of you.
Follow it in. Connor, follow it in.
Excellent.
I saw it too.
Top 2.5 points. Finish strong. Levi, right there, safe. Bryson, come over a little bit and be safe. In case we don't win it. John, to the goal.
Got it, Connor, come on.
Go to the goal. Now come over and help double. Don't need it, you don't need it. Don't need it. Well done. Goal kick, well done. Ethan, grab the ball. Guys, we're all too high. It's not getting to midfield. It's dropping here. So attacking group, be right in there. Hey, Dick, come over and help us challenge. There you go. Levi, a little deeper. You're good. Right there. You can always go with the ball. Jump. Jump. Good. Jump again. Good. Pressure. 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 Keep going. Step, Thatcher. Step a little. Good. Now come, Levi. Reach when you get there. You're down. You're there now. Now you move your feet. You're good.
Let's play forward.
Somebody step.
Good job.
Go, Bryson. That was good. Jog up in the back. Jog up. Don't let him go back. Lucas, don't let him go back.
Good. Someone else jump. Can we move it?
Yeah, I spoke to him in the bathroom there.
You gonna get another caution? He is. This is like the third caution.
Is that done?
That's Dan. He's given like 3 or 4 cautions.
Jesus. I gotta watch this. What number was that?
39 or 37. Reckless. Almost red.
Yeah, he's good.
80 yard challenge.
He's asking.